Hi everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing well. We've been studying regular verbs in the present tense in German in our last few lessons. If you haven't seen any of those, you might want to go back and watch them. So in this lesson, we are continuing with the present tense. However, the verb haben, our new verb for today, to have, is an irregular verb. So this means you basically have to memorize the forms, and native speakers simply memorize the forms through practice. So the more you practice, the better off you'll be. So let's go ahead and take a look at the verb haben, to have. Okay, these are the endings that you're familiar with, and these endings apply to all regular verbs in German. These are the endings that you'll see for this verb as well. However, it's considered irregular because you'll notice that the stem will change in some of the forms, so you'll just have a different stem. So it's different enough from regular verbs that we have to just call it an irregular verb, and it means you just have to memorize the forms. So let's go ahead and take a look at the forms. So if I want to say I have in German, it's ich habe, ich habe. Ich habe, I have. You have. Du hast. Du hast. Notice that the B from the stem disappeared here, so it's just du hast, you have. He has. Hat, the B is also missing. She has. Sie hat. Sie hat. And you have, the formal you, formal singular you, Sie haben, Sie haben. Remember, you simply must memorize these forms. So the forms for the plural subject pronouns we have wir haben, wir haben. You have, ihr habt, ihr habt. You have, sie haben, sie haben. And finally, they have, sie haben, sie haben. So that's it for this lesson. Be sure to take the time to memorize all of these forms of the verb haben. You'll use it very often. It's a very important verb. We will continue studying haben in our next lesson, so be sure to tune into our next lesson. To do that, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to that lesson. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like, and I hope to see you soon. Bis bald.